Yo, like, I'm gonna teach y'all how to jugg. Yeah, basically. So, as you can see, like, on the screen here, these are my, fucking project settings, basically. I like putting it, one by one, because I just like the feeling of it. Environment. Yeah. I like to stretch it out because that makes sense. One by one. Then I'll select my song. I like look for it. But I already got my one. Yeah, it's this one. Next thing I'm gonna do is add beats to the song basically. So like I know where to put my shit. So I like putting one at the side cause like why not? Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's what we do. So I'm gonna add beats. I fell in love with buying Fendi. Yeah, that's basically it. And you can like cut it off if you want. So then we get to the time remapping. I like skimming through my clips to find like exaggerated poses. Like look here, if he like he's walking, yeah. Then I like stop at like right here. Then I'm gonna add my keyframes like this. Then I'll add a freeze frame. You're basically done with your time. Yeah. Then you can like add it. Then you can add these tiles. Wait, you can add tiles. Yeah, you can add tiles. You can like turn on the mirroring thing. You can like crop it if you want. I don't like cropping it. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Then I'm gonna add oh yeah, I'm gonna go to move and transform. Then I might add the scale assist thing. Then put it on the x-axis. Put the starting keyframe at like any percentage you want. I like putting it at 200 because that makes more sense, you know. Fuck. Because it's looking good already. You can like add more effects if you want. If y'all want a effects tutorial, get me 50k like 50 likes on this video. I might do it. You never know. And subscribe. Yeah. Then you can like let's make the shake. You can go to the fucking movement thing. Yeah, then you can like use this. Yeah, then you can like use this curve. Yeah. You just do the same thing for all the other transform things. Yeah, you can like customize these shapes as much as you like. It's that simple. Yeah. That looks good already. I'ma like finish this up. But yeah, like and subscribe for more like shitty content like this. Yeah.